In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make your weapon look bigger on screen here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you may feel like your field of view isn't quite right or your gun looks too small on screen. Don't worry, you can actually really make your weapon look way bigger, and all you need to do is actually open up your settings, and you can do this while you're in a match or you're in the menu. But once you're in your settings, go ahead and go into the graphics tab, and from here what you're going to want to go ahead and do is navigate across these little tabs up here that say display, quality, view, and benchmark to the view tab right here. After going in this view tab, what you're going to want to do if you want to make your weapon look bigger is simply lower your FOV. Dragging this FOV to the left, and as you can see on this little screen right here, is going to make your gun appear larger on screen. Now, the lowest FOV you could set is 60, and that's going to make the weapon look noticeably bigger compared to before. Just keep in mind, a lower FOV does zoom your entire screen in, meaning you're going to see less behind you, but everything, your weapon, player models, and the environment are going to look larger. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. On top of that, if you did want to go into this weapon field of view section, you can go ahead and put it on narrow, which is going to make the screen space stay the exact same, but it's going to make your gun look bigger as well. I would recommend adjusting this before changing that FOV. Just something to keep in mind. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.